Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you an investment opportunity that's truly groundbreaking. Imagine growing fresh, nutrient-rich crops right in the middle of the desert, using 95% less water and 1% of the land needed for traditional farming. This isn't science fiction, it's pure food technology. Based in the UAE, Pure Food Technology specializes in hydroponic vertical farming powered by AI, robotics and solar energy. They've developed a patented system designed specifically for the harsh GCC climate, making it a game changer for food security. Here's why you should consider investing. First, it's sustainable. Their carbon-neutral operation uses significantly less water and land, reducing the environmental footprint. Second, it's efficient. With up to 100 times higher yields than traditional farming, Pure Food Technology ensures food is affordable and available year-round. And third, it's local. By growing produce right where it's consumed, they cut down on transportation waste and emissions. For investors, this means high returns and a significant impact. With projected EBITDA surpassing USD 6 million by year 3 and a potential company value of up to $75 million, the financials are as strong as the tech. Ready to be part of this transformative movement? Invest in Pure Food Technology and help revolutionize agriculture for a sustainable, food-secure future. Click the link below to learn more about this exciting opportunity. Thanks for watching, and let's grow a better tomorrow together.